Good morning, mystery and horror students. This is my first video announcement for you guys. Just trying to get into a mode where I feel like I'm actually doing my job as a teacher. I put on a tie because I want to feel like I'm professional when I address you today, so I hope that you appreciate the efforts I've gone to look professional. I want to just give you a quick check-in on what you could be working towards, what I hope you're getting done. There's pages 1 through 30 of the book, The Fourth Monkey Assigned. I am going to be posting 2 more videos today walking you through some of the chapters, one of the police procedural chapters and one of the journal entries. So if those are helpful, let me know and I'll keep posting a couple of those each day. And then I also wanted you to read the article about serial killers. The goal on that is just to tell me anything you've learned. So you can't really be wrong. You can't misinterpret. It's just a chance for you to read and repeat the things that do make sense. The last task posted on Google Classroom is a challenge task. I don't know that anybody will tackle it, but I think that some of you still want to be pushed a little bit. You want to have to think and stretch. The stuff that I have set up for the fourth monkey reading is pretty comprehension based, starting kind of slow. I know that 30 pages may seem like a lot, but it's 10 pages a day, 3 days. That's something that I would expect that you could get through. The guided reading that's posted with it isn't meant to be a burden. It's meant to help you focus on the key ideas. When I post my video chats about each book, that's all I'm doing is actually going through the guided reading live. So you can almost just use what I say in the video to fill in the guided reading. But for me, that's my chance to kind of point you in the right direction. If we were doing this in class, we would have read the first couple chapters together so that I have a chance to show you how the book works, show you how it gets moving. I know that many of you are not going to want to read a book. I have to tell you, I've had great success with this book. If you can just give yourself that honest attempt to read the first couple of pages, we're through page 30 this week. We'll read another 30 pages next week. If you get to page 60, you might be hooked. If you're not going to be able to do all that reading, I do have different approaches set up that we'll talk about in week 3. One of the approaches is just reading the journal entries to kind of get the serial killer story, and that can be interesting in itself. It's its own story. So all I ask is that you give me the first 60 pages for a chance to see if you could maybe understand and get into this book. I'm toying around with how to release some videos through Google Classroom. Just some things for you to look at on your own. I also will probably be setting up a discussion question about TV shows, movies you've seen that fit with the genre, so that we have a way to just stay connected and feel like we're real people instead of zombies shut in the basement. I am desperate for something to do to feel like I'm actually a teacher and not just some guy sitting back here looking at a computer screen. So in the next week, I will hopefully have some more things out there to try to bring this class to life instead of just have it be about the novel. Please email me if you have any questions, if you need help with the reading. I want to do everything I can to get you through, so you can't hesitate to ask. Have a good day.